Hello, today in this video I'll tell you how to find hidden apps on Android mobile. For now, on the screen you can see Realme mobile and this is Nothing mobile. So both have different OS versions and different UI versions. First of all, we'll see for this Realme mobile. Okay, I'll be clicking on Android phone settings. Then directly on the search I can just search as hide, just hide. Okay, let me unlock this also. Yeah, so here when you search like hide, you'll see this called hide apps. You can directly go to this section or I'll just navigate. Usually this option for most of the mobiles will be available under security and privacy. Oh, see here, security and privacy, and scroll down under special features. Under hide apps you will see this option. Click on hide apps. So this is asking my fingerprint or face scan. So the fingerprint here is in here, left side, right side. Sorry, instead I'll be giving my password. Okay, yeah, when I enter the password, none of the apps here are currently hidden. If I keep hidden right list like Canva, Chrome, now I'll just clear this. Now anywhere you won't see the Chrome here. Even if you search in the app drawer, the Chrome won't be visible. See here, Chrome, right? So you can just navigate to the phone settings, then click on the privacy and security, then scroll to the hidden apps and just use your lock, phone lock. And see here, these are the hidden apps. You just need to unhide them in order to see them. Okay, now we'll see for this one. See here, now the Chrome is visible, right? But for Nothing mobiles or Motorola mobiles, usually this option won't be available. See here, under settings, if you can see hide here, there is no direct option to hide the apps, but there is one option here. Actually, under the settings there is something called special features. I'll see special features, then click on app locker, and here you can use this app locker where you can give your phone lock and you can select the apps which you want to lock. Say for example, if I want to open the Amazon, it will ask my fingerprint or the pattern. So yeah, for different mobiles the option will be different. So this is how you can find the hidden apps on your mobile. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.